In this video, I'm going to teach you and talk about how you can come every single day and trade before your job. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below on what you think. And if you guys are interested in joining our 100% free Discord community, the link for that is below this YouTube video. It is 100% free. We do not charge for this. There are other like-minded individuals that were once at chapter 1 just like you and now are at chapter 30, 40, or even 100, and they're coming every day, learning, earning, and growing, and we are just building as a team, as a community. So make sure you guys tap into that if you're interested. So trading before work obviously allows you guys to build financial freedom while maintaining a job. Now, you often see a lot of traders that just automatically just want to quit their job right away, and that's very, very foolish, right? Why not kill two birds with one stone? If you're able to trade before your job, or even, during the day at your job or after your job, why not take that opportunity, right? Why not make money on both ends, right? People have these jobs because, it's guaranteed paycheck. They have a skill, they come, they do their job every single day, they apply their skill, and it gets to the point where it's just easy money for them. I can't tell you guys how many people that I know that are multi-millionaires that they still have these jobs. They're still working at these companies, but little do the people know at their company that they're worth millions of dollars, that they're making more money every day from the market, right? They're making more money in 5-10 minutes at their day trading every single day that they do at a whole week at their job. So again, there's nothing wrong with it, and really you guys should be doing this, right? If you have a job, you should be learning every single day, trading, whether it's before your job, at your job, or during the day, right? So a structured approach obviously ensures efficiency and consistency, right? So let's break this down for you guys, right? So step 1 is trade the right sessions. I can't tell you guys how important this is. New York session opens at 9:30 Eastern time, right? This is fast money, very, 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 very fast money. You can come every single day, Monday through Friday, and just trade the New York session and be done, make profit in less than 10 minutes. I have proof of this. I show people this day in and day out. In fact, I'll bring over my live platform, my live broker, that you could see just today, right? Today, I made $1,234. And if you look here at the very bottom, you could see the time of entry, which was 16:31:52, and the time of exit, right? Exit price, or exit time is 16:37. So right there, we're basically at 6 minutes. So in 6 minutes, I made $700 on this one trade. Now this trade here, prior to that, same entry time, 16:31, the exit was at 16:36. So this trade was basically 5 minutes. So between these two trades, right, this trade I took a loss, but between these two trades, I was done in less than 10 minutes, and I made over $1,000, and I'm able to do this right from my cell phone every single day. Now you guys have it much easier right now, 2025, than it was basically 5, 10, 15 years ago, because now you can actually trade from a web browser, right? So if you have a job, everyone's got a cell phone nowadays. Everyone's got a cell phone, so everyone can download the TradeLocker app or any trading platform and trade right from your cell phone day in and day out. It is that easy. Or if your job maybe restricts you using your phone, well, every job basically has some sort of internet. You could just go to the browser and just place these trades right from the computer. Okay, so it's much easier. So I remember back in the day when I had an office job, they basically restricted you to download these platforms, right? So I had E-Trade. They actually restricted anything to being downloaded. So it was very, very difficult. I didn't have the ability to trade from my phone. I didn't have the ability to trade from the internet browser. You had to do it from this actual platform that you had to install on the computer, and you needed to basically IT to grant you permission. So it was much, much harder. But again, you guys have it so much easier nowadays, right? So New York session, if you want to make the fast money, boom, that's where it's at. Or you have the London session, which opens early, offering high volatility. You have the Asian session, which is slower but provides stable trends. And then you have your major currency pairs, EUR, US dollar, GBP, US dollar, that move the most. Okay, so you need to ultimately find a session that fits your schedule, right? Whether it's your morning schedule or evening schedule, you might work the first shift, second shift, third shift. Nonetheless, the Forex market, guys, is open 24/7. You can literally trade 24/7, right? You have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday, you could actually trade Bitcoin if you wanted to. Now, step 2, right? Use a simple and fast strategy, right? Focus on high probability setups that require minimum screen time. Use higher time frames, 15-minute and 1 hour, to obviously reduce noise. Now, here's my chart here, live account. I use the 15-minute chart because it's just much easier to see the candles and the setups basically happening, right? So like this is a perfect example right here, how we're going to be probably testing this resistance area and basically look for this thing to basically sell off. If I were to switch this to a 1-minute chart, look at all this noise. It's just much. It takes forever to load, but just look at all this noise, right? It's much harder to read it. That's why I strongly recommend using a 15-minute chart or a 1-hour chart. Now, number 3 is obviously set clear entry and exit points. This is very important, right? You have to understand where you're buying and where you're selling, and then obviously have a stop loss and take profit. And you want to avoid emotional decisions by following a strict plan, right? Know that you're coming every single morning before your job or while you're at your job to either just trade, one thing and one entry, one stop loss and one take profit, and that's it, right? And if you make money, great. You go about your day at your job making money there too. Or if you take a loss, no big deal, because guess what? You're guaranteed still going to get that paycheck from your job. Now, one thing you guys can always do is set and forget, right? You place a trade, you set it, you forget it. Just like having a slow cooker at home, you put your meat, your potatoes, your carrots in there before you go to your job. You put it on low, you go to your job, you come home, boom, dinner's ready. Same exact thing. Step 3, right? Manage your time and risk. This is very important. Use your phone and app for trades, right? Or website. Again, we talked about that earlier. Use your phone. You can do everything with your phone. You can easily be at your job and say, hey, boss, I need to run to the bathroom really fast. And then he might kind of eventually pick up, wow, every single morning he runs to the bathroom at 9:30. Well, guess what? You run to the bathroom, you run in the stall, you place your trades, you set it, you forget it, you go out your day, and you occasionally look at your phone throughout the day to see if either you made money or you lost money. But you know what you're risking, right? You're risking $50 to make $100. Then you maybe make $100, and the next day you risk $100 to make $200, and then you slowly grow and scale your account, okay? Limit screen time to about 30 to 60 minutes before work, right? So everyone has the ability to wake up earlier or, take time to, put time in to basically place these trades, okay? Set stop loss, take profit orders to manage risk, use price alerts to automate and track your trades while at work. Now, with TradeLocker, you can easily, if you're looking for something like this to basically peek out here, you can easily place an alert. Boom, alert was set, so now I'll get notified. So if I'm at my job, I'll get notified, hey, this thing is actually pushing up. It's getting ready for me to take my entry and make money. Easy, okay? Now, obviously, stick to 1 to 2 quality trades instead of overtrading. The problem is that so many people are trying to overtrade, and try to make as much money as possible so they can quit their job, right? I don't think you should do that. I think people should, use the resources there and make as much money from trading and make as much money from their job to get financially free. Now, conclusion, right? Trading before work is obviously achievable with discipline and preparation. Focus on key sessions and keep your strategy simple and manage your risk effectively to maximize results. Now, see this picture right here? This was my past job. This was from over 10 years ago, when you could see here, for those that are old school bucks, they can see that this is an E-Trade platform. At this time, this was my cubicle. This was my trading desk and my cubicle at my job, right? So I had Excel. This is my Excel project, my Excel on the background, and then I had E-Trade open here, my time and sales, my level 2 with my order execution. And literally, I was toggling between E-Trade, trading, making money, and then doing my Excel spreadsheets for my job. Nonetheless, made money, paid off all my debt, became financially free, and now I don't have to worry about this, right? Again, this is what it was like back then. You had to have a desktop platform versus now it's so much easier, right? I could easily just go to the browser. I could easily just do it right from my phone. It is that easy. So anyways, that's it for this video. Hopefully it helps and motivates you guys in some shape, way, and form. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and remember guys, if you want to join our free Discord link, that is below this YouTube video as well. Thanks for tuning in.